Hi everyone, this is Abhay, and in this video tutorial we are going to look how we can download, share and set URL image as a wallpaper. So before diving into the code, I'm going to give you a quick look of the application. So this is the application in my emulator. Now this is the URL image. Now if I'm going to click on the floating share button, this will going to download first, and after downloading it, the image is not shareable. Now this is the image. Now we can share it. Now if we are going to click on the download button, has downloaded the image. Now if we are going to preview it in our gallery, now this is the image which has been downloaded. So previously I downloaded, so these are the images out here. Now if I'm going to set this image as wallpaper, now if I'm going to click on this floating wallpaper, this will also going to download the image first. Now after downloading it, the image has been set it as wallpaper in the phone. Now let's have a quick look on the code. So before diving into the main .dart, we are going to look on the YAML. We have to import these three packages. So the first one is image picker saver, http ess flutter share. So image picker saver will going to save the URL image. http will going to give the response of that URL. ess flutter share will going to help in sharing the image. So now look the main .dart. We have to import the package material.dart, image picker saver, flutter service, ess flutter share, http.dart. Now after this, in this design section, what I have done, I just only pass image network in the body part of scaffold. Now in the footer area, I have three floating buttons, like here, as we can see, these are the three buttons, footer buttons. Okay, so after this I have three functions for three different buttons. Now for loading, for downloading in downloading button, there's on load method. This is a simple dialog which will going to tell the process, and after this we are getting the response of that URL in http, and after getting that response, we are going to convert that response into body bytes, and that image picker saver will going to save that byte and return the path of that file, and after that the onload dialog will finish. Now in the share section, it is also same as above. In this also we are getting the response, and after getting the response we are going to download it, and image picker will going to return the path where it has been downloaded, and after this getting the download, we are going to convert this path into the byte data, and after converting this path into byte data, we are going to pass it into ess, and this will able to share this image. Now in the wallpaper section, this is also pretty same. First we get the response, then image picker saver save that and return the path. After returning the path, we have another method that is platform specific. In this platform specific, first we have to pass the method channel name, which is wallpaper in my case. Now after this we have to invoke the method, and the method name is get wallpaper, and pass the argument as path of the file, path of the image. Now this will be in key and value format. Now let's dive into the into the Android section. Now setting as a wallpaper is platform specific, so we have to do it by the general code. Now let's have a look in the Android section. Now before diving into the Android section, we have to make sure we should provide these permissions. In these permissions, the first one is set wallpaper, obviously, then read external, write external. This will help in downloading the image and then reading the image, and this is main SDK version 5. Now this we have to give it, because if we are not going to give this permission, this minimum SDK, the AndroidStudio may going to generate an error. Now after this, we have to write the platform specific code, and before that we have to import these files in Java. So I'm going to give you a link in the description below, my GitHub source code. You can copy, you can have it from there. Now after importing these files, we have to call this platform specific code of Flutter. Now before that, we have to give the same channel name as in main.dart. After giving the channel name, we have to call the method, and in this channel method we have to pass a get Flutter view and channel dot set method called handler. This will going to be a thread which handle it. Now in this on method call, there is a method call and the result, and in this, after this, we have to call dot method equals to get wallpaper, which is should be same as in main.dart. Now for getting the argument, we have to use call dot argument and pass the key, which is same like this. This key should be same to get the value from it. So as you can see, the key should be same. After getting the key, call dot argument will going to fetch the value from that key. This will going to pass in a random function. Now in this function, we have to first get the screen size of the phone. For getting the screen size, there is a method in Android that is called display matrix, and in this we have to first pass the get window manager dot default display. So display is the class, and matrix is the object. So don't be confused, this is not display matrix is the object. So after getting that, we have to get the height of the screen from it and then width of the screen. Now after this, we have to create an object of wallpaper manager. In this, we have to pass the context of the application. Now after getting the context, we have to create a bitmap from that file. So we have to decode the file path. After decoding the file path, we have to create another bitmap which should be according to the screen size. After creating it, my wallpaper.manager.set bitmap will going to help to set the wallpaper. Thank you so much. I hope you understand. If you have any doubts, please comment down below. Have a great day. Do subscribe and like my video for further updates. Bye bye.